If you want to use a memory card or a microSD card with Samsung Galaxy A57, then unfortunately you will not be able to use it with the SIM tray, simply because there is no dedicated microSD card slot, or there is no hybrid slot either. And unfortunately, this is not the way to use the microSD card. Unfortunately, the only way to use the microSD card is by using an additional accessory, such as a memory card reader. This is my example memory card reader. It is quite huge. There are smaller ones where we have just the microSD card slot, but the idea is that you put the microSD card into the memory card reader, and then with the USB-C cable, you connect it to the phone, and then you can access the microSD card storage. Of course, this is really inconvenient to use on a daily basis, and I can understand that this is not a great solution, but this is the only solution, to be honest. So if you wish to access the storage of your microSD card, if you want to temporarily check some files, or if you want to transfer some files from your phone to the memory card or the other way around, then this is the only way to do so. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.